So now we have another speaker who will be covering social media strategies to generate more revenue and leads. And let me one more time introduce him. He's Mr. Shubham Pandey, CTO of software company, The Unique Culture. He's a full-time corporate trainer at Technique Private Limited. He has more than 6 years of experience in training field and more than 3,000 students. He's also a regular trainer at different MNCs like Wipro, Infosys, and many more. He will be covering today. You've already known what are the basics of social media, and today he'll be covering the social media strategies to generate more revenue and leads because that is what we want in business, more money and more customers, right? So, thank you so much, sir, for being here. I'll just give the permission to unmute and over to you. Are you able to unmute yourself? Yeah. Over to you.
Hello, ma'am. So thank you, Manmeet ma'am, for the brief introduction, and thank you, Sayan sir, for detailing guiding us and our students that what is digital marketing and all the basics of that. So I will not repeat the Sayan sir's work, and I will go little bit advanced from there. So whatever Sayan sir told is pretty much very correct. Now, in the comment box, I need everyone. We have participants, we have many participants in the particular webinar, and we are also recording it. We are live in Facebook as well. In the chat box, I want to detail like, let me know who else, whoever has failed the problem in the COVID time. From last 2 years, there is a COVID situation going on. So let me know in the comment section, whoever has felt difficulties, whether in career, whether in business, that business has got loss or something. Let me know in the chat box, so I will detailedly include that thing in my session as well. Please do it faster. We have very less time in the meeting, so please let me know in the chat section. Are you suffered in a pain? Are you suffered any difficulties in the last 2 years due to COVID? Please put it yes or no. Please put it yes or no so that I will guide you better. So I got a reply from many that yes, they are facing difficulties due to since last 2 years due to COVID. Now, why we are sitting here? We are sitting here to generate more revenue, right? So maybe we are student, maybe we are business owner. So ultimately, if we are a student, we need a job, we need a good amount of salary. If we are a business owner, we need good amount of revenue. That's why we are all sitting over here. You came to participate, I came to speak only because the revenue part. So revenue is very much important in social media factor. So as we know, since last 2 years there is COVID situation and revenue has struggled very much. So how we can increase the basic thing? Please remember, please take a note with yourself. Please take a note. I repeat, please take a note. I will guide you detailedly about that with different tools in practical manner as well. I will share like in 5 minutes. I will share my screen. I will share some tools that will be helpful for you as well. Please take a note. Please keep your mobile phone and all distraction aside, and please take a note. So let me start. So first thing is that when, let's say I have a shop. So two shops I have. One shop has 5 visitors today. One shop has 50 visitors for today. Now you tell me which shop will get more revenue. The main thing is that that shop who has 50 or more number of audience that will get more revenue, right? So if you get more revenue, that is linked with the audience is linked with the footfall, means those who come to my shop and the number of more shop visitor will get me more revenue. So now what is the concept behind is that traffic or footfall, because we are here for the webinar for social media. Okay, because we are here for the webinar social media. In social media, footfall, visitor is count as visitor or viewer or audience. Okay, it is count as audience. Please take a note. So that means we have to get more number of audience in order to get more revenue. Point one, get more revenue, you need to get more audience, right? That audience is otherwise we tell that audience as traffic. Okay, otherwise social media traffic. Okay, we are mainly focused into social media, so that particular thing is called social media traffic. So I will guide you, master this skill, how to get more number of traffic. Ultimately, if you get more number of traffic, you will get more number of visitor, you will get more number of revenue. Okay, so two things there are present. One is organic way, another is inorganic way. One is organic, please take a note. Organic, inorganic. In organic, the things that we do naturally, as Sayan sir told us, the things that we do naturally, content marketing, regular posting and all, Sayan sir is included. So that is called organic. The second one is called inorganic or paid marketing. Okay, if we don't have time, we have lots of money, we want profit from our business, we want revenue from our business, and we want to do something, set it and forget it. Automatic thing that we need at the time, we need a advertisement platform. So right now, how much social media platform are there? If anyone interested, put in the chat box. Let me know how many social media channels are there. Let me know. Please do it faster in the chat box. So first thing is that we have Facebook. Next, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many more. Okay, there are not four number of social media available, plenty social media available. If I will like, I will, yeah, right. Karan replied that, yeah. So there are many number of social media available, but four are primary used. Okay, why they are used? Because as I am told that they have many visitor, we can attract them to come to our shop in digital means it is our website, it is our Facebook page, it is our Instagram page. So we have to generate more number of audience from social media to our particular business, to our website, so that we will get more number of revenue. How we will get? I will go deep by deep. Now, the next thing, there are four number of social media that primarily focus: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. In the four social media platform, we have a one thing is available, that is paid plan, that is advertisement, inorganic way advertisement. You run the advertisement, Facebook or any social media will promote us to get more number of visitor. In the advertisement section, you do promotion, you do your brand building, you do your product selling, you do any offer, you do any store visit, whatever you want to do, you can do. You just pay to that social media platform and they will give you more number of audience. Right now you have to understand, if your business have the right product, right service at the right price, then you will get your revenue 100%. So think about a situation, we have two pen. Okay, one pen is 3 rupees, another pen is 5 rupees. Both will run, both we can target. Okay, if it will go like 5 lakh rupees, then it is difficult for us to market that. Okay, the audience size, those who purchase the 5 lakh rupees pen is very less. So to generate ultimate revenue for that 5 lakh is very difficult. Nothing is impossible, remember, but still we need a competitive product, good product at a competitive price. If that, we will do that. So one thing is organic way, as Science told, another is set and forget, that is called paid marketing or advertisement. Okay, so in this particular session, I will guide you with the different tools. So stay tuned with that. So what we need to do is that we need to get more number of audience. So if we get more number of audience, what is the strategy for that? We have our different social media channels. In different social media channel, I will share you the rule rule of 80 is to 20, 80 into 20 ratio. So what is 80 into 20 ratio? 80 means you have to educate your audience. Let's say I have 10 audience, so in this meeting, let's say we have 50 audience. So right now I am educating, you all this. If you like my training, you may come here, you may come as my student, right? You may subscribe to me, you may subscribe to my channel, you may visit my personal website or something. So right now I'm educating. Like that, you need to educate your audience. Like, if you remember, if you have ever visit the social media channel of Zomato, Paytm, they will guide you detailedly, they educate us, they give us offer. So what is 80 into 20 ratio? 80 means, in at least in 10 posts, if you do 10 posts a month, if you do 10 posts a month in social media, 8 times you educate your audience. So how you educate? You do query, you do a question answer session, you do a quiz session, you do interactive session, you promote your product like fact sharing, knowledge sharing. Then in 2 times, in 10 Like in 10 number of posts, 8 times you educate, you engage them, and 2 times you sell their product. 2 times you pitch your product, so that customer will get something valuable. So everywhere I like you 50% are here because I am giving you, other trainers are giving you some value. If no one give you value, then you ultimately like you leave the webinar, right? So like this, you need to educate your audience, right? Remember 80 into 20. If 10 number of posts you have done, 8 times you need to educate, 2 times you need to sell your product. So this will engage your audience. So regularly that audience will come to your channel. Let's say for example, we are doing a marketing campaign for a fire safety company. Okay, if you're doing a marketing campaign for a fire safety company, there is very less audience for a fire safety company, right? So fire safety means they sell their fire extinguisher or fire safety for any company, hospitals, right? So they have very less audience. Now that I have done what a practical example, I have educated the audience, right? Why a small business need a fire safety? Okay, why a small shop need a fire safety? So this education in social media gave them awareness. How a accident, how a accident happen without a fire safety? How you can prevent an accident without with doing a fire safety? This generated more knowledge to audience. Now small audience, those who don't have any money, still they purchase a 1000 rupees, 500 rupees fire extinguisher and they keep there aside. So ultimately we engaged, we educated our audience to purchase that particular product. Before there is no small business where purchasing fire safety product. Now somewhere they are purchasing fire safety product. If I do it regularly, then definitely will get the revenue generation for that fire safety company. If you want to really like, if you want the really example, you can get search Achyuta fire safety company and you will get how this thing is done. So we need to engage our audience so audience will like us. Regularly educate. If you give them free education, if you give them free knowledge, regularly they come to us, they will like us. Once they will like us or they will follow us, our post will get onto their newsfeed regularly. Remember that in social media, in Facebook for example, if I have like in my business page, if I have 10 like if I have 100 of followers available, if I do a post, it will get to at least 40 number of person. Okay, my post, if I have 100 audience, if I post, then the post will go to 40%. Rest 6% Facebook will not promote. In that 40%, maybe some are not available that day, maybe some are busy. So ultimately it gives you, like for example, 10 number of views. You do a post having a page, audience size is 100, but you are getting 10 number of views. Now think how you will generate the revenue. For example, you need to do what? You need to audience, you need to engage your audience so that audience will come again and again. So that 40% will give you that 40 like viewer, those who are regularly being you. If they comment you, if they like you, if they follow you, then what will happen? The things you will get promote in social media. Two type is things, if you remember, one is organic, another is paid, right? So there is a social media funnel. There is a social media funnel. In the social media funnel, what I told you, that educate your audience. Funnel looks like something like this. First thing is you need to educate the broader perspective. The bigger perspective is educate your audience. Then come down, and in the come down, in the middle part, you need to engage them. You need to ask the question. If you are an ice cream parlor, you need to ask, you need to put two ice cream photos. Which one likes you? Which one you like? Okay, now for example, previous time there was IPL. So guess your favorite IPL team, who will win today, and you will get a free ice cream family pack for your family. So like this, if I do, like I have done this, if I have done this at that time of IPL, many person are engaged with that. They shared because of that free family gift for 500 rupees a family pack. They shared the post got viral. Okay, so sharing is very much important. So in the middle part of the funnel, it is called our what? It is called our engagement. Engagement means like, follow, share, comment, anything. So if they engage, then social media will promote again and again. Okay, if for example, if you comment at a business page today, you will definitely 100% guarantee next 2-3 days you will get that same business page another post in your newsfeed. Okay, try this once. The next below part is that after 80% of your education, the below part, those who are engaged, now in the 20% of the below part is called, now you need to pitch your service. Now you need to pitch your service, whatever product you are giving, you need to pitch that with an offer, with an attractive. So what is that? How need to pitch it? You need to put an offer, you need to do something. See, it is called clickbait. Okay, you need to do something little bit kind of clickbait so that visitor will see something like offer. For example, I like the Zomato thing, no cooking July. ओके, पेटीएम, एटीएम नहीं, पेटीएम करो। जोमेटो में नो कुकिंग जुलाई, मतलब जुलाई में आप कुकिंग ही मत करो, आप ले लो हमसे और हम देते हैं आपको ऑफर। तो एक पोस्ट कर दे वो क्या, नो कुकिंग जुलाई ऑफर के साथ। अगर आप क्लिक करते हो तो आप आ जाते हो किधर, जोमेटो के ऐप पे। तो आप क्लिक करते हो तो आ जाते हो किधर, जोमेटो के ऐप पे। तो जोमेटो के ऐप पे जब आप आते हो तो क्या होता है, आप फ्रॉम सोशल मीडिया, मिलियंस ऑफ विजिटर आर देयर फ्रॉम सोशल मीडिया, विजिटर आ गए जोमेटो के पास। ठीक है, अगर मिलियन में से 1 लाख भी विजिटर आ गए थ्रू सोशल मीडिया, सो 1 लाख में से मान लीजिए 10,000 भी कन्वर्ट होते हैं। देखिए, वन फ्रॉम वन सोशल मीडिया का post, they are getting 10,000 of extra sale, not 10,000 sale. They have regular audience as well, they have regular customer as well, but extra 10,000 of sale through one post. Very simple, very knowledgeable. Okay, so this is called a funnel. So how, once you click the social media ad, you will go to a landing page. Now you will ask, what is, sir, what is landing page? In the landing page means when you click a button in social media, that time you will come to the landing page. In the landing page, what you will do, in the landing page, it is so pretty much good written that you need to put your email ID, phone number or name, something. Okay, so in the landing page, you will, whenever you click a social media ad, you come to a landing page. In the landing page, the content, the image is so well written that you, at any cost, you have to give your mail ID or phone number. However, if you are not satisfied with that, whenever you go to that click right side cancel button, that time again a pop-up will open. Now you will ask, how I will do all this, sir? Okay, there are free platform available, WordPress. In WordPress, you can do everything that I told you, landing page. With the help of Elementor, please note down WordPress, second is Elementor. With the help of Elementor, with the help of third parties, pop-up builder, you can do. Whenever a guest like this, see my hand, if I go to the red button, click the red button, that time a pop-up will open. Sir, I am giving you 10% offer and you purchase my product. So that time, let's see, one product you are getting 100 rupees, again you got another offer that 10% again off. That the particular product I am getting 90 rupees, in 90 rupees, let's purchase it. So this helps to get more number of revenue. Again, you remember, if in the pop-up I filled all my information, the customer filled name and email ID, then we can remarket them. Remarket, what is remarket? One is marketing. First time I see a ad, that is called marketing. Second time I see a ad, that is again called marketing, but repeatedly I see a ad, that is called remarketing. First time I see a ad, that is called marketing. Second time see a ad, that is called again marketing, but repeatedly if I see a ad for a particular company, that is called remarketing. If we have the customer's phone number, if we have the email ID of the customer, we can do remarketing. Again, this is a strategy how to generate more number of revenue. Okay, so in this part, one thing Sayan sir is told that we need to promote our social media regularly. We need to put our post. We have different social media account available: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, like this. So we need to craft our social media. For Facebook, we need to craft. For Instagram, because the image size of Facebook is different than image size of Instagram. The image size, the video size, Facebook unlimited video, YouTube unlimited size video, but for Instagram limited size of video, IGTV, called IGTV. Instagram stories available. IGTV story has now previously 30 seconds. Now it came to previous, like yesterday I have seen that it came to 60 seconds. So 60-second limitation, IGTV have more limitation, but in Facebook there is no such limitation. So craft different social media posts as Sciencer has given, like you can go to Canva, you can do a video post, you can do an image post, you can create a logo, whatever. So you can do that. Okay, in the comment section, if anyone in the middle like you want to ask, you can ask something. Okay, so we have to regular in our social media part. Point one is that again you take a note, do not spam, do not spam, do not spam, do not put anything repeatedly. You do point to point approach. Whatever education you want to give the education. Whatever sales you want to do, sell the education with point to point. Okay, with point to point. If your product is 100 rupees, mention there 100 rupees. Okay, otherwise they click, they come to your landing page. Landing page is your either website or mobile app. They come to your landing page, and if you do spam that time, you have written there 99 rupees, but here you are selling at 199 rupees. Customer will go back. That is called bounce back. Bounce back is very, please note that bounce back. Okay, bounce rate. Bounce rate is very like negative impression for our website. We will get down, our score will get down in the bounce back section. Okay, now we have to put right content, no garbage, no spam. So people will click our ad. So previously there was a monkey approach available. Monkey approach means previously, if you remember, in my starting of my career before 4 5 years, sorry. So that time social media has not grown like that. So whenever you do a post at that time, if I remember, whenever I started, 47 rupees. Facebook per day ad charges was 47. Now it has come to 90 rupees. So per day 47 rupees you spend and you publish your ad. That time the ad result was very much effective because less number of audience, less number of competitor, less number of business those who promote. That is called monkey. People are coming and clicking your ad, you get your best revenue. Nowadays what happens for a single ice cream parlor, let's say I have an ice cream parlor, there are millions of ice cream parlor available in my locality. Everyone is promoting their business through post, their advertisement. So social media is engaged, social media is so filled with clutter that it is difficult for to get the exact reach. So what we need to do, we need a long-term approach with our audience. Long-term, regularly you publish, regularly you get audience, regularly you get your revenue. Okay, don't quit, don't disappoint that I am not getting, don't quit, do regularly, you will get the perfect result. Now, the technical part, I will come to my screen share. If I am like, may I get more time, Manmeet ma'am, please let me know if I'll get more time. I am sharing, I am willing to share some 10-15 tools that will help you to generate revenue, 100% tried and tested tools that I use for myself as well. If I get more time, I will share my screen and I will guide you 15 number of tips, sorry, 15 numbers of tools that will help you get more revenue. Please let me know, Manmeet ma'am, if I have more time.
Yes, sir. How long would it take? Like, how much more time would you need?
Maybe another 15-20 minutes if I have.
So 15-20 minutes will be a little difficult because we have one more
Okay.
speaker with us. Maybe if you could wrap it
no.
up in 10 minutes.
Okay, then I will put the less number of tools. Let me
Yeah.
go.
Yeah.
Like, please let me know what is my sign out time. It is 12:30 right now.
Yeah. So if you could wrap it up till 12:40, another 10 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
You
So
already have
let
the
me.
screen share rights.
Okay. Right. Great. So let me share my screen share. Let me do my sharing on. And if I am right, that I can like. First tool is that, please take a note. First tool is that Google Calendar. Okay. First tool is that Google Calendar. Okay, so first tool is please take a note that again I want to repeat, please take a note, and all tools, maybe I will not cover 15 tools, but still I will try to get the number of as well as possible. Please take a note. The first tool is that Google Calendar, free for everyone. If you have a Google account, it is free for everyone, available in your mobile. If you search calendar in your mobile app, it is available. Auto installed, pre-installed. I can see here that I am occupied for the date Saturday. I am occupied as a speaker. Okay, so yesterday I have something available. So As science sir told us that we need a content calendar, as we have a food calendar. From like morning we have a breakfast, afternoon we have a like lunch, evening snacks, in night dinner. That is called our food calendar. Similarly, what is the technique to get more number of views, to get more number of audience, to get more number of what revenue? You need to do a content calendar, means calendar, prepare a calendar that you need to put, like for let's say is today is Monday I need a social media post, banner post. Then Wednesday I need a blog post, share with social media. Then on the Friday I need a video post, share with social media. And 80 into 20, 80 into 20 ratio, okay, 80 times in a month. Let's say you are doing 10 number of posts, you put a calendar and you schedule it all those. From 10, first 4 is education, then sales, then for education, then sales. So here is a calendar available. You set your monthly target, you set your monthly target over here, and if you right click it and you can set it the color, okay. And the particular thing, they will remind you over your mobile app. So this is the best part, is that they will remind you so that you will not miss anything. Prepare a content calendar through Google Calendar, free tool. Okay, next part, we have prepare our content calendar that from this date I want to do that, from that day I want to do that. Now what thing is very much important in social media? If you remember that in social media, one thing, if you do any kind of post, if you do any kind of post, the first thing is that if I'll share, that will be better. Okay, so trying it. So I will go pages. Okay, I'm managing multiple business for my client, for me as well. Okay, so from where I choose one, okay, I will tell you how to post. Okay, see, this is a college, this is a particular college. If you want to see, this is a particular college. First thing is that you need to put a heading, you need to put a heading. This is called our heading. What you want to do, you want to get your admission offer, or you want to, like, you want to get your, see, if I scroll down, see, for a particular college, what is the main selling point? The main selling point is placement. You remember, the main selling point is placement. I have highlighted in the social media post, we have highlighted that placement. Okay, the point one is that heading. Then the point two is that description. The description should be easy crafted and call to action. Like whenever you go, you open this in a mobile, this is clickable, you can click and do a call. The website is again clickable. You need to put hashtag as well. Hashtag also very needed. Like as science are told that how to manage hashtag, that is also very much needed. Then the good kind of post, this is made with Canva. Okay, very simple, made with Canva. As science have told us, this is made with Canva. Someone has any questions, chat box, this chat box not from my side. Okay, let's see. So this is very much interesting. This post is made with Canva, and you can see that this much of people has engaged, this much of engagement has this much of views I have got. Okay, the next part is that how, like I want to do, like I want to do it on mobile, I want to do it on desktop. The next tool is that Keep. Okay, keep.google.com. Okay, Google Keep, otherwise it is called Google Keep. Okay, keep.google.com is a note. It is a note. I will close it because some personal details are available. So it is a note. So how you can access keep.google.com in the Play Store, in the mobile app, you need to you need to search that Google Keep. Okay, so it is a cloud-based note app. Okay, you can note anything. You can note your social media account login detail. You can note whatever heading, paragraph, picture you want to note. You can to save, and you can access that particular thing in your mobile, in your desktop. Okay. The third one is that you need to do, that is called a tagline. That is called a tagline. Tagline is that tag अच्छे हैं, किसका है? Surf Excel. Tag अच्छे हैं. ठीक है, put a tagline that like that, ATM नहीं, पेटीएम करो. ठीक है, तो put a tagline so that the customer will remember you through a tagline. Okay, so tag अच्छे हैं अगर मैं बोल दिया तो वो होता है क्या, सब हमको पता है, वो हम जानते हैं कि that is surf excel. So something like that you do so that customer will come and engage you. If you remember in our previous time, right now as well, that हनुमान जी का फोटो डाल देते थे, इतना लोगों का आप शेयर करो, नहीं तो आपका ये हो जाएगा, अगर इतना लोगों को शेयर करते हो आपको ये अचीव हो जाएगा. तो ये क्या होता है, एंगेजिंग कंटेंट होता है. मैं वो अच्छा नहीं है करना, लेकिन इस काइंड ऑफ एंगेजिंग कंटेंट आप इससे आइडिया ले सकते हो. उसी से क्या होता है, हम डर के भी उसको शेयर कर देते थे तो वो पोस्ट वायरल हो जाता था. पता है वो हनुमान जी का पूरा ऑल इंडिया में घूमता था वो पर्टिकुलर पोस्ट. ठीक है, रानू मंडल ऑल इंडिया घूमा, शेयर हो गया. ठीक है, अभी एक चल रहा है, क्या चल रहा है, अभी एक छोटा बच्चा गाना गा रहा है. ठीक है, कोई बता सकते हैं तो आप चैट में बताइएगा. ठीक है, तो वो ये क्या होता है, ये आपको एंगेज करके रखता है. ठीक है, बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं जाना रे. ठीक है, बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं जाना रे. अब वो हो गया क्या, एक ऐसा टैगलाइन हो गया कि अब उसको सारा चीज में शेयर होने लगा. जब शेयर होने लगा, अगर उसमें क्या होता है, अगर एक post करते हैं, that will go viral, and that viral thing, that particular branding over the t-shirt will bring more number of sales to that t-shirt. The particular branding, the shoe he wear, that gets more number of sale because of the branding of Virat Kohli. Okay, that is called our branding. Okay, so when you do a content calendar regularly, you do a scheduled time posting, regularly do a thing that is scheduled already. That time your social media knows that yes, Mr. Shubham will post Wednesday at 8 p.m. Okay, that time the bot of the social media will come to you and crawl you. That time you will get, definitely you will get more number of audience, you will get more number of engagement. That leads to ultimate our story, that more number of revenue. Okay, we need to do it. Right now, one more thing I need to cover is that social media SEO. No one talks it that social media SEO. My name is Shubham Panda. You can spell, you can put my name in Google. Okay, at any spelling you put, I will come to the top. That is called SEO. Similarly, in social media, you put my name. You must know that in Facebook, many millions of thousands of people will be there onto my similar name. But if you search me, I will come to the top. That is called social media SEO. How you will do that? Again, you need to put your name, your tagline at the top. You need to mention your description accordingly so that the Facebook crawler, the social media crawler will understand you and will bring you to the top. Okay, regular engagement will bring you to the top. Regular posting will bring you to the top. If you are on the top, let's say you are searching something, digital marketing trainer in LinkedIn or in Facebook. If you are on the top, by chance, if you are on the top, you will get the customer, you will get the student will pay you to train with you, right? Ultimately, you got your audience. Now, I have put my social media calendar, I have scheduled it. Now, one more question, Shubham sir, please tell me that 4 number of social media account I am managing. The last tool I will give you because my time is out. So the last tool I will give you that I have 4 social media channels that I am targeting right now. The main difficulties is that for me, currently I'm managing 30 customers for social media. So how, like I want to remember all 30 customers, 30 into 4 social media's login detail. When I will put, for what time I will put, how much put, for which account I want to put, I need to remember. I can do that in my Google Calendar. Now Google Calendar will remind me. Google Calendar will not get you posted. Google Calendar will remind you, now you have to do this task. Now, how will you do? How for a particular business, you want to post your social media in one channel that will get posted to all different channels. The tool is called Buffer. Okay, tool is called Buffer. The tool is called Buffer. Okay, you can take the paid plan, you can take the free plan. In free plan, there is some limitations available. You can check it, you can note it after the session, you can check it. We use, my company use Buffer to manage all social media for all our clients. For 30 clients, if I count 30 into 4, how much? 120 account login detail. Very much confusing for 1% to 2% who are doing their social media activities. Right now in Buffer we have engaged everything. Okay, in Buffer we want that we get the particular client name, click all social media, select post. Okay, we can do different posts as well. As Science are told that we need to put different posts for different social media. That we also do with the tool called Buffer. You can go with the free plan, you can go with the paid plan as well. However, I have more number of tools available for share, but definitely we will do this kind of webinar next time as well. That will help you to get you more number of audience, more number of revenue. As we know that I have limited time, I need to sign out at the time of 12:40. So right now I'm signing out. Have a good day. Bye bye. So I'm handing over this to Manvit madam, and next one more speaker, Nidhi ma'am, will guide you through digital marketing. Thank you.
Thank you, Shivam sir. Thank you so much. I'm sure all the tools and all the funnel details that you shared, it is going to help everybody and they are going to implement it in their social media. Can I request you to please stop sharing your screen?